Welcome to VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. Thank you so much for completing 3000 subscribers on our channel. We are happy to have 3000 members in our family. If you want to learn how to use computer and Android using screen reader, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive updates. If you have any queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. You can support us by donating using thanks or join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Follow our social media handles like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and X to receive regular updates and tech-related articles. Happy learning! Hello friends, welcome back to another video of VI Tech Academy and welcome back to another episode of HTML course with screen readers. In today's episode, we are gonna discuss about how you can insert audios and videos, which means audio files and video files in your HTML project. Sometimes we might require to insert the audio file. Let's suppose you are creating a website where you need to add some audio files, or let's suppose you have created a website. For example, let's suppose you want to showcase your project, or you want to upload your podcast or something like this. You need to upload your audio files. So in that time you need to insert your audio files, and there will be the play buttons, pause button, and these controls are there. This everything is there, right? So sometimes you also require to add videos to showcase your work or something like this. So all these things you need to add, all these things you can add using HTML. Guys, my voice is not so good, and also here it has been raining. Here it is raining, so I think you might get some noises, so please avoid them and try to focus on the topic. So here I have already created our template. See,
less h blank, less h1 greater audio, less slash h1
so
greater
within the body I have created one heading called audio, then
blank, less h1 greater video, less slash
another
h1
heading
greater
called video.
blank.
So first I want to show you the video, then we'll show you the audio. The tags, whatever tags and other attributes we use, almost all the tags are almost same, not almost, I can say like 100% same. So let's see how we can insert the video. First of all, I already told you about the file paths. Here the file paths is also important. This is my recommendation that whatever files, audio, either audio or video, whatever files you want to insert to your HTML project, that files or those files should be within the folder of your project. So that's why I already told you to create a folder before creating the project, before developing the HTML file, okay, before writing the HTML code. So first what I do, I have already taken one audio file and one video file here. So as an outro, our outro video we have taken as an outro for the video. So let me copy the file name first. So yeah, I have successfully copied this and see
template blank, less h1 greater video, less blank.
So below video we will add the video. So to add the video, first we need to add the video tag, okay, less video greater. Okay, let me turn on this character by character.
Characters on. Symbol level all.
Yes.
Less video. Video greater.
Okay, then obviously close this tag.
Less slash video greater blank, less video greater blank, less slash video greater blank.
So now within this video tag we need to tell the HTML to the source. Okay, so let me tell the source. Okay, so to tell the source we should type source, okay, less source, okay,
less sc cource,
okay, source
space
src equals
src quote,
then the file name, and then quotation close,
quote, space.
Okay, then type, we need to mention type. Type is another attribute. So type equals within quotation.
Quote.
What is this? This is a video, so we should write video slash
video slash.
Now here we need to type the format of the video, MPG or WEBM or MOV, okay, or DAT. So we need to enter, so slash MP4. Our file format is MP4. MP4. Okay, so then quotation close,
MP4 quote,
then greater than sign.
greater.
So this less source is an empty element. It does not have the closing tag. See,
less source src equals quote outro dot mp4 quote type equals quote video slash mp4 quote greater.
okay, now the video is added.
Character less sort blank. Less blank.
Before closing this video tag, see,
Less slash video greater.
before this
Blank.
I want to add this browser does not support video element. Why? I'll tell you. Let me write first.
Is space RO WSER OEN NSSTTSUPPOR space ADO video element.
If my user uses old browser, or somehow if the browser will unable to load the video, we can fix this. Like, we can say this message, we can tell this message, so that user will able to understand that this is the problem of the browser. Okay, now we have successfully added the video and these things. Next we need to add another 232 attributes. First one is width. Yes, as video contains the audio parts and the visual parts, so we need to mention the width. Width we already mentioned for the images, right? So in that, like images, we need to mention the width. If we do not mention, so it may appear smaller, bigger, whatever. So let's
less source src less
choose.
less video greater space greater.
So first let us choose width, width equals.
Width quote.
For now I use 1080 pixels. Okay, I can use 500 pixels also. Whatever I want I can use. I need to adjust this along with my other elements. So for now I use 720, or let's suppose 720 or 750 pixels.
0
Pixels means px.
px.
Okay.
750
Then quotation
px,
close.
quote, space.
Then another attribute we should use, which is controls. Controls means which will add the play button, pause button, etc. And this attribute has no value. So let me add it.
CONTROLS.
That's it. So this is the code for video.
Less video width equals quote 750 px quote can less source src equals
Okay.
quote outro
See.
dot mp4 quote type equals quote video slash mp4 quote greater. This browser doesn't support the video element dot less slash video greater.
Okay. So this is how we can add the video. Okay. So now let me just run this code and let me show you whether it is added or not.
HT template outro dot index.html5 my first HTML heading level 1 and tutorial comma we are going to learn introduction to HTML
Sorry, I have opened a wrong page.
index.html list key template.ht
Now see.
heading level 1 video
See, video,
button play
button is there,
button
mute is there,
button enter full screen
enter full screen is there.
menu button sub menu show more media
Show more
control.
media
Video
controls.
time scrubber slider total
So here
time
this is
colon,
a like
zero colon,
Seekbar is
space
available.
blank video
That's
button
it.
enter full button mute button play
So just I am pressing spacebar here to play this video.
pause.
So the video is now played successfully. Okay, if you can see my screen, you can see that the video has been played. Now you can adjust more things, like the video. Currently the video element is at the left of my screen. So if you add like CSS styling, so you can change this. But the basic code is whatever I typed. Next we will see how we can add audio files. Okay. So the code will be almost same. So let me copy the file name first.
HTML row 1 column HT.
So the audio name, let me find the audio name.
Row.index.8 borderless dash Akash Gandhi.
So let me copy
Borderless
it
dot
and let me open the notepad.
template.html. This browser less sources less vid less 8 blank less h1 greater or less body less h1 greater or blank.
Now here I will type the audio element. So first we need to open the audio element.
Less audio audio greater less slash audio audio blank less audio greater blank less slash audio greater blank.
So here again I need to mention the source.
Less source
Source src equals
src quote
within quotation file name quotation close
quote space
type
t
equals
quote
audio slash mp3
audio slash mp3 quote
then
greater.
So see, when we insert the video, we add the video format type equals to video slash mp4, and when we add the audio, we told the browser, we said the browser that here browser, this is an audio file with mp3 format. Okay,
less blank.
now again here we just write the message browser
browser D space
browser is unable
unable
to support audio file. See,
less browser is unable to support audio file dot.
okay,
Less source src equal less audio
now
greater.
again similar like audios, there is no width because it's an audio file. There is no need to add width. For images we have added width, so width attribute is not required, but control is required. Otherwise, if you do not add the controls, play button, pause button, this will not be appear. See,
Carriage greater space greater
here I'll just add controls.
ONTROS
Okay,
controls space
okay, that's it. Let me refresh the page
HTML project
and see
heading left button play heading level 1 audio
audio.
button play
See, play is there.
audio time scrubber slider total time colon
Audio
2
time,
colon
total
49
times.
button mute
Mute is there.
menu button sub menu heading level 1 video
Okay,
Menu button audio time button play
so just I'm playing this.
pause play pause play
So you understand that how we inserted the audio and video
HT
using
template system sub menu
HTML.
space
there are two more attributes like autoplay and mute. So if you want to mute your audio by default, you can use mute attribute and use autoplay attribute to autoplay. If you're using autoplay attribute, make sure you have to use the mute attribute. Though in current scenarios, browsers does not support this mute and autoplay. Okay, so you could try, just type autoplay and mute, AUTOPLAY and mute after this controls. Okay, so these are some attributes which we have to discuss about audio and video related to HTML. I hope you learned how to insert the audio and video. Just do practice and share your feelings into the comment section. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask into the comment section. Thank you for watching this episode. If you are interested to join our certified courses, visit our website from the about page of the channel. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.